I'm Don. I'm with Lifetime Quality Roofing. I'm out here today on Desi's roof. I'm going to be attempting a repair. Today is October 12th. It's 64 degrees out. And Desi's claim number is 3553H640R. I did choose a slope that has damage on it already, and I outlined the shingle that I'm going to be removing and repairing. It's this one right here. So first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to loosen up all the shingles and remove the nails to remove the shingle. We did pull an RLS and it came back GAF Royal Sovereign Slate. So I went to Willoughby Supply and I picked up a bundle, and now I'm going to insert the shingle and nail it down. few things with this repair. The first is, if you can see in the video, every time I lifted a tab to put the nail down, there was significant granule loss on each one. You can see that. All the shingles around it seem to have the same amount of granule loss. The second, if you look underneath, the adhesive has stuck to the bottom of all of the tabs. That's what's known as mat transfer. What will happen is these shingles will have a very difficult time sealing back down. If another high windstorm comes through, these shingles are going to be more likely to be damaged by the windstorm. The third, due to the shingles being unsealed and having to lift them to drive the nail, you can see a little bit of creasing going on. A little bit up there as well. Due to these reasons, I do not believe that this roof is repairable at this time, and this repair attempt has failed.